Aloha fellow eaters, today we'll be having Nature Valley almond butter granola bites, almond butter chocolate flavored. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourish our soul and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check out the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip through the video in parts you want to see. So that's how they look like. Not really the shape, exact shape as I seen this. I thought it was gonna be more round. It's just, yeah, it's just like that. Okay, right here. Let's see what's inside. Alright, I give this a 4.7 out of 5 stars. It was pretty good. Good amount of crunch to it, and chocolate and the almond butter. But I'm not too sure if I could taste the almond butter though, because it's kind of hard to tell because there's like granola and chocolate. Yeah, it was it's all over the place. But still good. Not too sweet, not too salty. Good crunch and smoothness in the middle. Thank you folks for watching, and for more Foodz Unbox right here folks, and for other foods right there. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these